Welcome back to the 10th series. This is Chapter 8. Today, we learn the past perfect tense. Ravi ran as fast as he could, but when he reached the bus stop, the bus was already gone. Two things happened in the past. First, the bus left. Second, Ravi arrived. The bus left before Ravi came. How do we say this in English? The bus had already left when I arrived. Had left, that happened first in the past. When one past action happened before another past action, we use the past perfect tense for the first action. It tells us which one happened earlier. Past perfect tense is used when one action happened before another in the past. We often use it with before, after, when, and already. The formula is simple. Subject, then had, then the past participle. Had is used for all subjects. I, he, she, we, they, always had. The best part about past perfect? Had is the same for every single subject. I had, he had, she had, we had, always just had. They had eaten before he arrived. Had eaten happened first, arrived happened second. Past perfect for the first action, simple past for the second. She had already finished the project. Had already finished, it was done before a past moment. Already is a very common word used with past perfect. He had not studied before the test. For negatives, add not after had. Had not studied, he skipped studying and now regrets it. Had you met her before? For questions, put had at the very start. Had you met? Asking if something happened before a past moment. Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. By the time we reached, the match blank already started. Is it has, have, or had? Think carefully. The answer is C, had. Two past actions, match started first, we reached second. Had already started. Past perfect for the first action, simple past for the second. Well done. Quick comparison. She left when I arrived. Both actions happened together in the past. She had left before I arrived. She left before I arrived. Order matters. Let's recap the past perfect tense. One past action before another. Subject plus had plus past participle. Had for everyone, always. Next in this series, past perfect continuous tense. It tells us how long something had been happening before a past moment. Almost done with past tenses. Keep going. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below. I will check it.